Yoruba celebrity actress Biola Fowosire. Yes, now matter bring me here today. My people, this one a real tragedy. And according to the woman, she come outside, they cry. They tell us say now the second time when she they suffer this this particular heartbreak. Una no go believe am. Armed robbers enter this woman's shop. Whether they break you know, be they enter or any English way you want to use now. So they enter. They left the place empty. They carry everything. If they even get chance, they for even scrape the paint where they for the wall. Adam, joy. And according to her, say now the source of in livelihood where these people just carry like that. I say I go bring and come on aside. Because I know say una be like me, we do they sympathize. So I want before I go deep inside this matter, I want me to hear the woman and watch her with your own eyes. Put the video, make them watch.
I'm a lock for shop with me, me low, me let me go, me lock. Mi lọ́kọ mi àtàmọ́ mi náà ni láti bí ọdún mẹ́wàá. Ẹjọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín ni ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Owó báńkì mò ń gbà oṣù mẹ́ta ni mo fi yẹn já. Nígbà tẹ́ fọ́ ṣọ́ọ̀bù mi lásẹ̀ oṣù mẹ́ta mo fi kiri ẹja kí n tó rò gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù. Káwọn báńkì tó yá mi lówó ẹ má kó mọ́ freezer generator tẹ̀ ń wò. Ẹ lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ tí mo wọ́n ṣàánú mo dá owó yẹn fáwọn tí mo rà lọ́wọ́ wọn ni mo ṣe é dá tán ni mi ìra káàṣì mo dá fún wọn ni dídá mo gbà ẹjọ́ ẹ má fẹ́rù mi mọ́ ẹ má sọ mí dé nílẹ̀ ẹ má sọ mí dé lẹ́kìsà mi láṣọ gidi mọ́ gbogbo nǹkan mi mo ti ta ẹjọ́.
Heartbreaking. This matter they very painful to watch. Like if I even dey watch the woman, the way she dey cry, I don't know. It be like say make her just become one magician. Come find out where those people dey. Make her deal with them. You don't understand. The thing now where even they pay me concerning this whole thing, they say I don't understand. They say this woman a very good woman. Make her even boss on her bubbles. They say this woman get one small what did they call her? Charity organization, abi charity home where she dey run for your neighborhood, and that charity thing she dey use her help elderly people boost their business. How una go do something like this to person where they help other people? I know they support violence. I know they against sorry, I they against robbery and other things, but I beg. This particular one where I want drop now for armed robbers. I beg, make una stop the steal things from the wrong people. I no support stealing or robbery. But if you want do your thing, please don't go to the wrong people. Go and look for your government people. Politicians. After all, money where they get, they don't work for them. Yes. Look for them and steal from them. Let the thief steal from the thief. Look when they disturb people where they work hard for their money. No, now when I hear say this woman get charity, this thing are weak. No, I weak. Because she even they do extra. She goes beyond. You know what it means to help people? No, many of you are not going to understand because you never do it. To take full responsibility of people's lives, I mean, means of livelihood, food and everything, you know what it mean? Many of you now will get siblings, you go feel relate. Only your sibling, let's say you get younger sister or younger brother, now you they take care of in education. Only that one, imagine the stress. Now, can't imagine say you they support people, businesses, people, not be one person. Want this armed robbers who? May they leave people where they work hard alone. I know won't get wahala with anybody. When I see water where they drop from this woman eye, that water where they drop from your eye, that tears, you go hunt all of una where they inside this thing. Una no go no peace. You see peace. Una go they look for peace. The way people they find money. In fact, people easily they find money. Una no go see that peace. Bam. You know how it dey pain No, I dey relate oh, because I know how it is difficult to make money. It's very painful to see your hard work just be stolen like that. All your hard work, the only God know how this woman even managed to raise that shop. Everything gone. Una no understand. They empty the shop. I not say they went there, they opened the drawer and they took the money. They emptied the shop. I say it remains small. They for scrape the paint where they wore. Adam. Person sweat. Person investment. Now just. If you know say you dey inside this kind of business, if you know say you derive joy in taking people's money and making them cry, all of una dey inside yahoo boys too. Yes, and they call una out. I no put ice block for my mouth as I dey talk am, because na the same thing una dey do. You go cash out, person dey abroad dey cry. Na the same thing. Make una better repent. Wait, una no dey think of tomorrow. The way I dey think of tomorrow before I do something, I no know. I can't carry am personal. I dey think of tomorrow. Sometimes I just dey wonder. Okay, even if you don't love yourself, what of your unborn children? Or many of una self don't give birth already. What of your children? Anything you do, if it does not come back to you, it will go back to somebody that you bring to this life, or somebody that is related to you, and it will happen to those people where you love. Think on me. Why? They swear for una. The country is hard. The country is hard. No, it is soft for us now. You know, see as a day, it is very soft. The country is super soft. Means everybody feels start a thief. Oh, I can also enter one place and steal. And I'll say the country is hard. You have choices. You have a choice. Armed robbers, kidnappers, rapists, all of una, yahoo, all of una, you have a choice. Stop that life you are living. You don't go die if you start with a mechanic shop. You don't go die if you start as a cleaner. You don't go die if you, no, people when they hop pure water, they tell you say they don't feel like to sit down at home under AC, they flesh. You have a choice. So I beg, make una stop this thing when they do. And as for our dear beloved Biola, my sister, I wish say I feel give you ×2 of what you lost. But as it be now, the best I can do is to share this thing so that people go help you, my sister. I'm not saying they watch me now. You understand? And my prayer for you now be say, God go replenish everything where you lost, and it go make you smile again. Yes, you go. Are they serious? Me, my prayers, you know, they bounce back. One straight boss. You know they do drop and pack. You understand? God will do it. My people, now the sad news be this, and I know say many of una know am. As many of una wey fit help am, I beg, reach am and help am. But I just drop wetin dey my mind like this, and I still want to know wetin una dey think. So why not start dey drop am for that comment section and share this video. Make everybody know wetin don happen to our beloved sister. And don't forget to click on that bell too, so that you no go miss anything I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Nigerian Leaders Congress NLC protest they happen live for Kaduna. In case of una wey no know, you never hear about am, you no know wetin cause the protest. Now why are they here? And the matter for this thing be say NLC, wey be the umbrella labor union of Nigeria government workers, don't enter street go protest. And the reason why these people they protest now be say they say their members go outside protest because they don't like the way they treat them. Like many things just change. Many, you understand? And the matter now can they affect their members. They say minimum wage they inside and many other things. Because as it be now, my people. As it be now, they say Nigerian lawmakers, they won't remove minimum wages from these people exclusive list. So I bring a corner aside. But the reason why I bring that, my people, as these people they protest, can't see hoodlums. some carry sticks, some carry what do they call am machetes, some carry nothing wey these people no carry. I just dey hear popa. They go scatter the whole protest, peaceful protest. Oh, abeg put the video where they watch. Now their usual modus operandi be this. Me, I know they shocked. I am not shocked at all. Because this one, na normal level. But my problem now, before I go enter deep inside this matter, now that mumu lawyer. I don't know how many of you remember the lawyer we go talk about Baba Ijesha, we talk about human rights and laws must be respected. Where is the lawyer? That one, if I just see na karate, I go just use finish am. Now you don't know where people this peaceful protest, now where these people go protest. You don't know law, you don't know rights. God go soon start to punish many people. I no call name, I just call on my God. He knows the right places to go to. You know the waste time. Right, laws. And when it be like say now, as we dey for Nigeria, hoodlums. Una see that word, abi una see that name. Now them they rule Nigeria. Hoodlums. Hoodlums are the new president of Nigeria now as we dey speak. Anywhere you go, hoodlums. Any matter where happen, hoodlums. Anywhere, hoodlums. My question for our youth, this one are for us, our youth. I even dey involve myself. When do we want to have sense? When are we ready to have sense? Because as it be now, no sure say we ready. And even if we ready now, just few of us ready with the sense. When are we ready to have sense? My people, this thing only happen regularly. Like, no be the first time, no be the second time, no be the third time. These rich people, they use these poor people to fight against their fellow poor people. And you know they see anything wrong with that. When una one get sense, now why they ask? Person will just bring a 500 naira note, bam. No be waiting happen for answers. Now the same tactic they use during answers protest. They gather hoodlums, share 500 naira among them. Oh yeah, go scatter the protest. Now so the protest just scatter. Nigerian government no go ever change. It no go ever change. I beg, I don't know, but we need sense. No joke. We need sense. We need wisdom. I don't know what again we need. Because some people brain is blocked. When do you people want to understand that these politicians, they use us? When do I want to understand? They are only using us. Simple thing. Wait till me that one name. Rufai. I bet I'm not even they call her L again. I be ill. Now hell. Rufai now. Anyway, this man dey. He don't start to jubilate. Now handwork. See, I believe that thing. He knows anything that is going on behind this thing. If you ask me, they not supposed to join what they call her, Northern Nigeria and Southern Nigeria together. Because 80% of Nigeria problem are from the north. Take it or leave it. 80% of our problem now from the north. And as they can't join and now, I don't know why they even join us together. But it's in fact is one of the mistakes that has happened in this country. Lack of education don't they worry many Aboki people. Lack. They did. I mean, go school. If you have a means, if you have the privilege, go to school. It is very important, because now many people they operate out of illiteracy. Like they don't just know. Now just tell me, command me and I will go. Now so many people they operate now. Last, be like saying now to split Nigeria, now we go do. Yes. Now to split, may we just split, may everybody just go, may we just not say yes, we just finish. Because I don't know where to call this one again. Peaceful protest, una no like. Now go send people go. And all of una where they behind this thing. All of una where they behind these hoodlums. Now the prayer point be that. Now be that. Now only me and God know what it mean. And I will talk outside. Now the matter be this, my people. Start they drop the comment for that comment section. And if you know say you dey for Kaduna, how far? Waiting you experience, how you see the matter, start the gist with us, because we need more elaboration and expansion on this matter. Very, very important. Start the drop for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video. Make everybody know what they happen right now for Kaduna. And why not click on that subscription bell and notification bell too, so that you no go miss anything we get for you. Stay tuned for our next story.